I've gone to the ends of the world to bring this video to you guys. So watch to the end of this video and I will tell you how you can access loans to pay your tuition fee which are not public funds and which you can pay back in small bits. You can pay this loan back in as small as £5 per month. So you guys watch to the end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Chinemerem. If you are new on my channel, hi, you are most welcome. Please do well to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are amazing. Thank you for coming back. Now you guys, before I start this video, I treated myself to a luxury item and I thought I should share with you guys. The beautiful part of this is that it is very affordable. Let's rock luxury at an affordable rate. I'm so excited to see what's inside here. I hope you are excited as well. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It's so beautiful. The leather quality is kind of really nice. It's made in Italy. You know, some of these handbags that you can get for thousands and millions of pounds and dollars, but this one is very affordable, and it's only from Teddy Blake. So Teddy Blake, they've got different ones, so many selections. You can check out their website. They've got so many handbags, so many luxury handbags on their website. I only chose this one because I like this one. I like the color. You can choose a different color if you don't like this one, but for me this complements my color. What you want is not on there at the moment. You can check back later, as they always release new collections every month, so you can try checking out their website, or you can subscribe to them and then check out next time if what you want is not available at this moment. But trust me, there's no how you go to this website and you will not see something nice. I'm going to be enjoying this bag, honestly. The feel, I mean, everything about this bag is top notch. It's quality. Man, I don't join legal, treating myself to a luxury item for a very affordable price. So you guys, I'd advise you to rush now to the Blake, New York and place orders for yours immediately. We'll just get on with the video. So I know some international students are a bit worried about how they'll pay off the remaining part of their tuition fee. Of course, we know some of them paid some amounts and some people are yet to pay the remaining part, and everyone is wondering, how do I even make it up? How do I pay this? How do I pay that? And some persons have asked me to let them know how they can access loans which are not public funds. Well, first thing to do if you move to the UK and you're finding it difficult to pay your tuition fee, or you're finding it difficult to meet up with cost of living, maybe expenses, one or two things, the first thing to do is to check out for hardship funds. Now, this hardship funds is not public funds. It will be given to you, or it is given to you by the university totally free of charge. This one you don't have to pay back. It's not like a loan that you will pay back. So the name hardship funds is just for those going through a difficult time financially. This one, you have to, sometimes the school would ask you to print your bank statement just so they are sure that you're going through some hardship, to be honest. So it's not like you're living a large life and you want to access these hardship funds. Sometimes schools will not just give it to you like that. They want to ascertain that you're going through a hard time before they can give you this hardship funds. So they would ask you for maybe your bank statement, how much you pay for house rent, how many people are living with you. If you have a partner, they will ask you for your partner's occupation. They will put all these things together before they would give you. And sometimes they will put these things together as well just to ascertain how much they would give you. They may give you 500, 1,000, 1,500, depending. It really depends on what they think after assessing your documents. And this money, they can pay it to you every year, but you have to apply every year. Say for instance your course is for 2-3 years, you can apply every year, and if you qualify, they will give you this money, so long as you're going through a difficult time financially. But for this one, for you to even apply, you need to check if your school does this, because I don't think it's all schools that do it. Some schools do it, or most schools do it, but some don't. So you need to check if your school does it. Like the school in my city, University of Portsmouth, I know they do it. So you should just go ahead and apply for this hardship funds, okay, from the university. Now, the second one, and which is the one that people may pay more attention to, is this student loan company. They give loan to international students, and they can give you from £2,000 to £60,000. They can give you as much as 40,000, 50,000, but the highest they will give is £60,000. This is called Future Finance Student Loan Company. Now they've changed to Asset Link Capital, but it's still the same. They will still give you the same service, right? Now let me mention that this is not public funds as well. However, there are some terms and clauses to this particular loan. First of all, you need a guarantor. And that guarantor is just someone that will say if anything happens or if you run away, the person will be able to pay that money. So that's where this one becomes a bit tricky. But if you're a person of good standing, you shouldn't run away. Now, for that guarantor, they will do a credit check on the guarantor. For this credit check, they will do a hard credit check on your guarantor. Now, if you know about credit checks in the UK, they have soft credit check and they've got hard credit check. Now, with a soft credit check, you're okay, nothing is impacted, you're just fine. But if they do a hard credit check on you, a lot of things will be impacted, and even to an extent your credit score may go down. Now, in the UK, credit score is a big deal. If you're moving to the UK newly, these times may be a bit confusing for you, but don't worry yourself. You'll get used to them very, very soon with time. Now, if you're already in the UK, you get what I'm trying to say. So if they do a hard credit check on you, it could impact on your credit score. Especially if you're going for something, maybe you're going for a mortgage or you're going for another loan for yourself, it may really impact on your credit score. So basically that's that about it. So a hard credit check would impact on the credit score and maybe other things, but a soft credit check, it's all okay. However, this loan company will do a hard credit check on your guarantor just to ensure that everything is okay with your guarantor, because if your guarantor is someone that has multiple loans in multiple places or different places, they may not agree for that person to guarantee you, because they will feel this person already has so much on his head, and if anything happens to you and you don't pay, this person will not be able to pay as well. So your guarantor will be someone that has a good credit record, has a good and right standing in the UK, must be a person of good and worthy character, and your guarantor should also have something doing, a job, you understand. The reason is because if anything happens, like I said, that person will be able to have somewhere to pay that money back, because if your guarantor is jobless, how would your guarantor pay back if anything happens? So that's where your guarantor would come in. So, but if you get a guarantor that can say, yes, this person is good, and if anything happens, I'll be able to do this, then you are lucky. The loan company in most cases will give you that loan. Like, what I'm telling you in this video is not what I read online. It's not what someone told me. It's something from a personal experience. So this video is very valuable. If you ask me, it is so valuable. So please kindly share with your friends, family, loved ones, and enemies, those that you think may find it difficult to pay their tuition fee this September, or those that are struggling already to pay. Just share this video with them so they'll be able to access this help in times of need. And if at this point you have not liked this video or you've not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching to the end of this video. So okay, the next one about this particular loan company and this loan is that depending on how much you get, let's say for instance they give you about 8,000 or 10,000 pounds, they may give you the time span to pay back this loan to be 7 to 10 years depending, but I think the minimum they can give you is 7 years, and I don't know the maximum, to be honest. But if you want to pay back everything at once, it's okay, but if you want to pay in bits, I think their minimum is 7 years. But if you want to increase the amount you pay back per year, then it may reduce the number of years you have to pay back. I don't know if you understand that. So the minimum they will give you, if you want to calculate your payment rate, your repayment rate is 7 years. But if you feel, oh, the rate they're giving me is too small for me, I think I can make more money than that, can you increase it? Then they will be able to reduce your payment years from 7 to lesser than that. I'm just saying. So if you want to check out this loan company, check about all these things, right? The other thing again is that while you are a student, you can be paying back this loan, and as a student you'll be paying them only £5 per month. Yes, you heard me well, you heard me clearly. You only pay back £5 a month as a student. But from the month you graduate, like if you're graduating this month, from next month you start paying them about £200 or £100 a month, depending on how much you borrowed. So at this point I will say be careful. Don't go and borrow more than you need, or don't go and borrow too much that when you start paying back it will be a bit too bulky for you. So borrow what you can pay back a month, because there are other bills to pay, and this company, if you go wrong with your payment, now problem. With this company, they don't care if you've gotten a job after graduation or not. All they know is that you are no longer a student, so you should be able to pay back this loan. If you leave the UK or if you go to another country, you can still be able to pay back this loan. That one is also what you would decide or maybe discuss with them. Do you get? So whether you're leaving the UK or anything, you are still able to pay this loan. So people will be like, okay, what if I leave the UK, can I still pay this loan? Yes, you can still pay this loan. But if you leave the UK and you feel, oh, I've left the UK, I can no longer pay this loan, and left them. So if you get this loan, please kindly pay them back. So like I said, 5 months, £5 per month as a student, and about 100 or 200 pounds or 300 pounds a month when you graduate, depending on how much you borrowed from them. Please is that you have to show or prove beyond reasonable doubt that you are a student. You cannot use this loan to go and start a business. No, they will not agree. They will not give you this loan for business. So now you are thinking, oh, I've heard about this loan, man. I'm going to take it and go and start a business for myself. Oh, till you cannot try it. You don't fail. You cannot do it. This company will pay this money directly to your university. The money you're getting from them won't even hit your account for 1 minute, even for 1 second. It won't enter your account. It will go straight to your university's bank account. Now for this as well, you have to show your CAS, your offer letter, proof that you are still a student in that university, proof of how much you are owing, proof of how much you've paid, and you know other things they will ask you to bring your BRP. For BRP is biometric residence permit. I think I'll be saying this in full for those that are still coming and they are not really used to these terms, you know. And your passport will also be needed, and other documents they will ask of you. At least you will have all the things they will ask you, and if they're happy with you and your guarantor, they will give you this loan in most cases. The next one is, this is particularly for Indians. When I checked my analytics, I found out that Indians watch me as well. For Indians, you can also access 100,000 Indian rupees. Yes, universities give loan to Indians, and it is not public funds. You pay back based on their terms and conditions. Of course, every loan has their own terms and conditions. So you need to check out the terms and conditions before you take any loan at all. So for this one, university I know is the University of Birmingham. They can give you up to 100,000 Indian rupees as loan towards their tuition fee, and you pay back based on their terms and conditions, like I already said. If you're from the EU or US, you can also access loans that can help you pay your tuition fee. Unfortunately, my Africans, there is no other particular or spectacular loans that you can access in the UK. That's quite unfortunate, you know. But the only thing you can access is this other loan I've talked about, the hardship funds and scholarships, and you know, bursaries and all. But for particular loans, you know, that will give you that bulk amount of money to do what you want to do, you cannot access them. The only one you can access will be public funds. So please stay away from public funds. Now I've gotten some questions about public funds. What do you mean by public funds? What are they? Now I'll make a video. I think after this particular video, I'll film a video today about public funds, what is public funds, and what you should access in the UK and what you should access in the UK on a student visa. So you guys, just wait. After this one, you will see another video about public funds. All right. Finally, there are some UK government organizations that may be able to help international students. Although these ones may not give you that bulk money, you know, I need £10,000, I need £20,000. These particular organizations may not be able to give you that amount. Some may be able to, but most of them may not be able to give you this bulk amount of money. Maybe 10,000. They may only be able to give you maybe food, £100, £200, you know, £1,000 or thereabout. So but I will leave the links to these organizations in my description so you can check them out later. So you guys, that's about this video. Have you shared this video yet? At least if you've watched to this extent, you must have shared this video to your friends, family or loved ones, or even your enemies. You must have shared this video at this point. Yeah, please go ahead and share this video so that those that are wondering how they'll be able to pay. I've gotten these questions like 1,000,000 times. How will I pay this 20 hours a week? Isn't it to be enough? I know all of that, so please share this video so that people can, you know the way about and what they can access. Some people are living in denial. Some people are living in denial, yes, because they don't know what they can access. They think everything is public funds. Well, I wouldn't talk much about this in this video. Watch the next one. I will give you more details about public funds. But yes, please share this video so that people can access what they should access. Now you guys, that's that about this video. I hope it helps someone. Until I see you again in the next video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So take care, stay safe, and bye.